Stuart here from Joe Duffy Leasing. Today we're having a look at the Land Rover Defender Commercial. We currently have a special offer on, which is an initial payment of €8,000, followed by 36 monthly payments of 1,349. This particular model is sitting on the optional 22-inch alloy wheels and is finished in lovely black metallic paint. As well as being a luxurious cruiser, it's a workhorse. It has a load capacity of over 2,000 litres, which is enough to fit a Euro pallet. And if you need to tow, has a towing capacity of 3.5 tonnes. As well as the signature rugged finish that you'd expect in a Defender, we have some luxurious features as well. Leather multifunction steering wheel, touchscreen satellite navigation, radio, infotainment system built in here in the dash. In the centre here, we have two 12-volt points, two USB-C points. This then comes up to become the jump seat, giving us 3 seats across the front, which is unusual for a large luxury SUV that qualifies for the 8% BIK rate. This is a limited time offer, and we have brand new stock in limited quantities available for delivery in early January. The benefits of business leasing are a fixed monthly payment. All that is fully reclaimable. It includes all servicing, maintenance, replacement tyres at end of life, annual road tax, and the annual CVR test.